In the majority of cases, the HDS file is a Parallels desktop hard disk file, or a Hitman Absolution game data file. It acts as either a virtual storage container for running Windows on a Mac or a high-speed database that stores textures, models, and audio for a video game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find out if we're booting up a virtual machine or loading into a stealth mission. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling HDS files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. The HDS extension is a high-capacity storage format used primarily in virtualization, Parallels desktop, and gaming, I/O interactive. In the world of Mac computing, it serves as the physical data layer of a virtual hard drive, containing the entire operating system, applications, and user files of a guest machine. In the gaming world, it acts as a structured archive that stores the massive visual assets required by the Glacier 2 engine, allowing the game to stream high-quality environment data into memory without long loading pauses. These files are governed by block-level storage and resource container protocols. Parallels HDS files follow a virtualized disk geometry, where the file is divided into blocks that are mapped to the guest OS, supporting features like expanding disks, where the HDS file grows only as you add data. Game HDS files utilize a proprietary binary hashing system that indexes thousands of subfiles, like .pctex or .pcsnd, within a single container, allowing the engine to perform rapid lookups based on the player's current location in the game world. Your primary software solution for HDS files should be Parallels Desktop alias Microsoft PlayReady from Parallels International GmbH, Haas Microsoft. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows cannot interpret the disk's file system without appropriate utilities. Let's find the specific program that understands the file structure. Right-click the HDS file and hit Open with. Test Parallels, Desktop Microsoft PlayReady if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If the HDS file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, identify HDS file types and origins. Distinguish the file by its location and size. If it is inside a PVM bundle on a Mac, it is a Parallels hard disk. If it is located in the runtime folder of a game installation like Hitman, it is a game data archive. You can verify a Parallels file by its massive size, often 20 GB to 100 GB plus, and its association with a config.pvs file. Game.hds files are usually smaller, often appearing in a numbered sequence like chunks0.hds or patch1.hds. Next, mounting and extraction. To access files inside a virtual disk, you must mount the HDS using Parallels Mounter or boot the virtual machine. For game files, you cannot open them directly to play audio or view images. You must use a community-developed Glacier 2 unpacker to extract the internal assets into a readable format. Note that modifying these game files can cause the software to fail integrity checks, preventing the game from launching on platforms like Steam. Finally, fixing corruption and missing disks. If a virtual machine fails to start with a hard disk not found error, ensure that HDS file hasn't been moved out of the PVM package. Windows cannot boot if the physical link between the config and the HDS is broken. For game users, if the world appears with missing textures or invisible walls, a specific HDS chunk is likely corrupted. Use the Verify Integrity of Game Files feature in your game launcher to re-download the specific broken segments without reinstalling the entire game. Failures with installed programs usually stem from .hds being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the HDS label is unclear or shared. FileMagick focuses on results. Its technology allows it to bypass file signature and extension checks to instantly reveal the HDS content. That's true value. Visit FileMagick.com now to download. I've used this exact fix countless times. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.